Nike's Ja 3 debuts in the bold Max Volume colorway, first seen during the Grizzlies vs Thunder playoff game. Launching August 15, 2025, this third signature shoe channels Ja Morant's explosive style with aggressive design upgrades. The model evolves the scratch theme with jagged TPU overlays and a rugged, multi-layered upper. A flipped, extended swoosh runs onto the midsole, adding a disruptive visual edge. Underfoot, a full-length ZoomX foam midsole sits atop ZoomX scraps, maximizing comfort and energy return for dynamic movement. Designed to reflect Ja's unpredictable gameplay, the Ja 3 blends performance and aesthetic impact. Its assertive shape, motion-inspired detailing, and fierce visual cues make it more than just another signature, it's a clear turning point in Morant's sneaker legacy. As the NBA season nears, expect more colorways to drop, building on this new chapter in Nike's innovation and storytelling.